everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Alissa Capron and I post new cleaning videos every Tuesday. If you're not new here, you've probably noticed that this is not a room that I usually clean. I actually only have one other YouTube video of me cleaning this room, and that's because it's just really a boy room, and as you can see there's a deer head and tools, and I just don't know where to put things like that, so I actually just put them all in the basement to clean this room. If you haven't done so yet, please make sure you subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up, and thank you guys so much for watching this complete disaster extreme clean with me. If you think it's weird that we have two couches in here, I also think it's weird, and we will be getting rid of that brown one very soon. What is also weird about this house is we currently have two living rooms and no dining room. You will see a table in a second, but as you'll see, it is completely unusable because it's just covered in all sorts of things. So I'm just picking that up, and again I'm just putting this stuff downstairs because I don't actually know what to do with any of it. And then I've never shown the basement because it's just an unfinished basement, nothing special, but there is like two more couches, a TV, and I think a poker table down there. There are seriously 5 couches in this house. I don't know how that happens, but it's definitely too many. There are so many shoes out on the ground, and it always looks like this because there's no like entryway or like a mudroom or anything. You just walk straight from the outside into a living room, and then because there's two couches, there's just nowhere for the shoes. But my plan is once that brown couch is moved, then we'll move that leather couch over and then hopefully have a spot for all of these shoes. This bag full of containers spilling out onto the ground is actually our recycling. We don't have trash or recycling where I live, so we take all of our recycling to the recycling center. So we usually just put it in these plastic bags to make it easier to carry, and then when we get enough that it's worth the trip, we'll take it to the recycling center. Right now I'm just wiping off all of these sunscreen and bug spray and then putting them in this little basket so that they're all together. Now I'm moving on to vacuuming, and I've emptied out my vacuum, so here it is all empty, and then I'll show you again when I finish. Also, I don't know if you'll be able to tell, but this vacuum does not do well with longer carpets. It thinks it's getting stuck on it, and then it basically stops working, and so I kept having to turn it on and off. This carpet's really not even that long, so I was kind of surprised, but yeah, it does not work well with longer rugs. And here is all the dirt that I picked up. So next I actually have another life hack for you guys. So if you have any type of squirt mop but you're out of the little pads, you can use a towel. So there's my towel and I just kind of stick it on there. There's kind of Velcro, kind of like Velcro on the bottom. So it sticks pretty well and then it works great. I'll show you what the towel looks like after I finish mopping as well. I'm going outside right now to get our little doormat rug. My boyfriend had power washed it and it was sitting in the sun to dry. And then I'm gonna put all those shoes that are on that little footrest thing on this rug. Now I'm all finished with this room and I still don't like it. However, now it is all clean. Now I'm moving on to my bathroom, and as I'm cleaning, I'm also packing because on the day I filmed this, I was leaving to go stay at a lake house for a few days. So I'm cleaning up the bathroom as well as putting things into this little toiletry bag. And after I finish the bathroom, I'll be moving into my bedroom where I'll also be packing my clothes and then just picking up everything a little bit. So now I'm moving into my bedroom, and as I said before, I'll be packing, so all of these clothes laying out are the clothes I'll be packing, and so I'm just going to fold all of those up and then put them in that pink bag. Making the bed is the last thing that I have to do today, so thank you guys so much for watching this complete disaster extreme clean with me. I hope you enjoyed watching me clean a room that I don't normally clean. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you all next week.